How to fix overheating on Realme P4. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here scroll down. So click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. So first of all, click on display and brightness. Now here, so first of all, convert to dark mode. You will see dark mode is enabled, so decrease brightness from here. So after decrease brightness, go back and scroll down. So click on battery. Now here, so click on all services. Click on battery. So click on power saving mode. So turn on this button. So after turn on this button, go back to home screen. Refresh phone. So that's how you can fix overheating on Realme P4. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.